I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. I saw the raccoon by the light of the moon, combing his auburn hair. The monkey, he got drunk and climbed up the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and fell on his knees. And what became of the monk, 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 the monk? Oh, what became of the monk? Say, I wonder what really did become of that monkey. He's got to be somewhere. It's really got me worried. I know what I'll do. I'll be Woody Woodpecker, Private Eyeball, solving the case of the missing monkey. Now let's see. What's the first step in finding the monkey? Ah, yes, the elephant, of course. He'd remember the monkey because elephants never forget. Oh, what became of the monk, 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 the monk? Well, here's the elephant.
Hello, Woody.
Listen, elephant, whatever happened to that monkey that climbed up on your trunk? Think hard, a monk on your trunk, and you sneezed, remember?
Oh, yes, I remember, Woody. I sneezed and the monkey just disappeared, but I don't know where he went.
Well, like the detectives do, let's reconstruct the situation. I'll do just like the monkey did. I'll climb up on your trunk. There, I'm up. Now, elephant, you sneeze, and to help you, I'll sprinkle a little black pepper on your trunk. There.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
Way up here in the sky. So that's what happened to the monk. I ought to fall down just about where the monk fell. Hey, I'm starting to fall now. Here I go. I'm heading for the window of that house down there. Wow, I crashed right through the window. And here comes the owner of this house.
Oh, no. My window ruined again. First a monkey crashes through my window, and now a woodpecker.
Did you say a monkey? Well, what became of the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk?
What became of the monk? I'll show you what became of that monkey. I grabbed him by the back of the neck like this. And then I ran him to the door like this. And then I booted him into the air like this.
Well, here I am up in the air again, just like the monkey was. Let's see where I land this time. Uh-oh, I'm losing flying speed. I'm falling again. There's a circus tent down there. I'm heading right for it. I can hear the circus band playing. I'm gonna fall through the tent. Whoop! I went right through the top of the tent. I'm falling right toward the bass drum and the band. Ooh! Pardon me, Mr. Bass Drummer, but I'm trying to find out what became of the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk.
The monk? That monkey fell out from the sky just like you did, and he ruined my bass drum. Now a second time already he's ruined my lovely bass drum by a woodpecker yet.
Then the monkey has been here. Please tell me, sir, what became of the monk, the monk, the monk? What became of the monk?
Ha! What became of the monk, he says. I'll tell you what became of the monk, Woodpecker. I shot him out from the human cannonball's cannon.
Oh, gosh, I've just got to find him. Would you shoot me out of the cannon too, mister?
Would I? Ho, ho, ho! Mr. Woodpecker, the pleasure is all mine. Come right over here this way to the cannon. Here. Now then, first I stuff you inside from the cannon's mouth. So.
Okay, I'm down inside the cannon. Now what?
Now I pull at the trigger, like so. And away you go.
Well, here I am up in the air again. That monkey sure got around. I wonder where he landed this time, and where I'll land. Well, I'll soon find out, because here I go down again. Well, what do you know? I'm back at the animal fair, and all the birds and beasts are there, including the elephant.
Yeah, including me. And look who else is here.
Why, it's the monk. Gee, I wondered what became of the monk. What did become of you, monkey? It was very simple what became of me, Woody. I climbed up the elephant's trunk, like this, and the elephant sneezed. Well, there he goes again. So that's what became of the monk.
Yeah, Woody, that's what became of the monk.
The monkey, he got drunk.
And he climbed up my trunk. And I did sneeze as I fell to my knees.
And that's what became of the monk. Yes, that's what became of the monk.